Hey, baby shark.
Shark la 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 la. Baby shark la 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 la.
Hello.
Baby shark la 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 la. Baby shark. Baby shark la la la.
Hello, my dear friends. It's me, Toysee. I have a surprise for you. Do you want to see it? Whoa, it is Baby Shark Playset. Wow. Do you guys like to play with a baby shark? This is Baby Shark Teeth Playset. Whoa, so let's open this up and let's play, you and I. Toysee will teach you how to play with a baby shark. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. Come on.
Way la 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 la. Baby way la 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 la. Baby way la 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 la. Baby way.
Hey, baby shark. It's a baby shark teeth brush. This is Baby Shark toothpaste. Wow. So cool. Wow. This is Baby Shark water cup. Wow. And its color green. Hey, Foxy. Hey, Sharky. Good to see you guys. And let's get Baby Shark itself. Wow. Wow. Look at the baby shark. It's so cute and cool and nice to play with, right? Hello, kids. I love you. Hey, baby shark. Where's your mom and dad, grandpa and grandma? Where's your brother? But don't worry, baby shark. We will take care of you. Oh, and baby shark, we see that you have 4 bad teeth. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 bad teeth. Baby shark, we will help you out to fix your teeth. Sure. First of all, we're gonna take teeth brush. And the second item that we need, a toothpaste. Yeah. And we're gonna fix baby shark's teeth. Aww. You guys ready? Let's start with tooth number 1. Let's brush it. For baby shark. Wow. Look, now it's all white. Let's brush second one. Let's go. Yeah. Now the second tooth become good one. It turns into white because we're brushing baby shark's teeth. Good job, you guys. Let's jump to tooth number 3. Let's brush it out. Good job, you guys. Help me out. Hey, baby shark, we will try to help you out to get your white tooth back. Yeah, you see? And the third tooth become completely white. Good job, you guys. I appreciate your help. Let's jump to tooth number 4. Let's brush it out. Now, wow, look at this 4th tooth. It's completely white because you guys helped me out. Now the 4 teeth became completely white. Hey, my friends, thank you for your help. Also, we will give some water to baby shark. Yep, there you go, baby shark. Good job. Wow. And last but not least, let's count how many teeth does baby shark have. You guys ready? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Whoa! So the baby shark has 8 teeth. Wow! Good job, you guys. Now let's sing along with baby shark.
Baby shark la 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 la. Baby shark la 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 la. Baby shark la 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 la. Baby shark. Baby shark la 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 la. Baby shark la 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 la. Baby shark la 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 la. Baby shark. Baby shark la 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 la. Baby shark la 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 la. Baby shark la 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 la. Baby shark. Baby shark la 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 la. Baby shark la 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 la. Baby shark la 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 la. Baby shark. Baby whale la 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 la. Baby whale la 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 la. Baby whale la 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 la. Baby whale. Baby whale.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to Toysee channel with many sea animals. Yeah! Hey, my friend, I have just created a brand new video for you. Click here to watch it, and I'll see you right there, right now.